Most importantly, I added a tiny filter in each aquarium. The only thing left to do is add in the animals. I put a few tiny cherry shrimp into the lake and then added some hermit crabs into the ocean. With the lake and ocean complete, I am ready to move on to the swamp. The most important part of this build is moss. Wait, that's all I have left? Looks like I'm gonna have to travel deep into the unknown. Alright, that should be more than enough. So with the power of editing, the build is complete. It is the perfect home for a Pac-Man frog. As long as he doesn't jump off my hand, he should be fine. So let's move on, shall we, to the savannah. For this build, I really want to recreate this photo. Oh, I meant this one. I'll need to find some tall grass. That's a pretty good haul.